Dear student, I am Kuram Shehzad from Department of Mathematics and Statistics. My subject is Math 301 Elementary Mathematics. First we will discuss about sets and numbers. Set. Collection of well-defined and distinct objects is an explanation of set. For example, 1, 2, 7, minus 2, 0, 5 is a set which is enclosed by braces and the elements separated by commas. Set name is always capital alphabet and the member name is always small alphabet. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 7, minus 2, 0, 5 and B is equal to A, B, C. There are three ways to write set. Number one, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the second in statement, set of first five natural numbers, and the third one in symbolic form. First one is called tabular form, second one is called descriptive form, and the third one is set builder form. In sets, order of the elements doesn't matter. A is equal to ABC, or it is equal to BAC, or it is equal to CBA, etc. Order also defines size or dimension of the set, as A is equal to 1, 2, 7, minus 2, 0, 5, 6 elements. So order of A is equal to 6. Subset of a set. A set A is said to be subset of a set B if each element of A belongs to B. Mathematically, we can write it as A is subset of B if and only if A belongs to B, for all A belongs to A. These symbols are read as this, as arrow sign is if and only if, and A belongs to A, also called A is an element of A or A is a member of A, and this symbol is called for all. This is universal set, which is the largest set among under the discussion. A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 and B is equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. So we can see that A is subset of U, B is also subset of U, but A is not subset of B and B is not subset of A. Venn diagram. Venn diagram is a pictorial or graphical representation of set. We can represent set by rectangle and the circles. A rectangle is a universal set and the circles are other sets, A and B, and the rectangle is U. Common part is called A intersection B, and the whole A and B set are called A union B, and only the part of A is A minus B if we excludes intersection part, and similarly B minus A. And if we exclude these A union B, the other portion is called A union B complement. Power set of a set. Power set of given set A is the set P of A consisting of all subsets of the set A. Empty set and the set A itself are subsets of the set A and are called trivial or improper subsets of the set A. As A is equal to 1, then the two subsets empty set and 1 itself. If we write it in an other set, this is called power set of A. If we have two elements, then the power of A is equal to empty set 1, 2 and 1, 2. 4 subsets, 4 elements of the power set. 2 are proper and 2 are improper. Similarly, if we have 3 elements, then 8 members in the power set of A. 2 are improper and 6 are proper subsets. Order of the power set. The total number of different elements in a set A is said to be order of the set and is denoted by order of A, and similarly the order of the power of A is equal to 2 raised to power order of A. Disjoint sets. If there is no common in the sets, then these sets are called disjoint sets, as two sets A and B are said to be disjoint sets if A intersection B is equal to phi. It means there is no common between A and B. Equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Mathematically, A is equal to B if and only if A is subset of B and B is subset of A. For example, 1, 2, 3 is equal to 1, 3, 2. This is Venn diagram of disjoint sets. A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There is no common between A and B. Some well-known sets: set of natural numbers, prime numbers, whole numbers, integers, even numbers and odd numbers. Set of rational numbers, a number that can be written in the form P over Q, where P and Q belongs to Z and Q is not equal to 0. For example, -5, 2.507, 0.333, 0.222 and so on, 0.25, 2525 and so on, 2.333 and so on. These are all the numbers can be written as P over Q. This is the set of the rational numbers. Existence of irrational numbers, just like 1.4, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 7. This cannot be written as P over Q. It is equal to 2 square root. And also these numbers are irrationals. This set is called the set of rational numbers. The non-terminating and non-repeating numbers after decimal are the only irrational numbers. The set of real numbers, irrational number union rational numbers, is called the set of real numbers. This is real line in which all the rational and irrational numbers exist. Set of numbers using a tree map. Real numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers like 3 square root pi, and irrational numbers have more 2 branches, just as fraction and decimals and integers. Integers are negative integers or whole numbers, and whole numbers are 0 and natural numbers. And this is the Venn diagram of these all numbers. Thank you very much.